Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mendaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to enable and disable developer mode on Windows 11. A quick info about developer mode is a policy that allows you to leave the original system restriction to install certain apps on Windows 11. For example, a modified versions of the Windows subsystem for Android to run Android apps from the Google Play Store. I-follow lang guys ang step-by-step method nito and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang yung settings. And then dito sa system, so select lang natin yung privacy and security. And then dito sa privacy security, select mo lang yung for developers, so click lang natin to. So bago natin ito enable or disable ay consider lang natin yung mga mahalagang infos nito. So kailangan mo lang itong click tong learn more para malaman mo kung ano ba yung iba pang mga mahalagang infos nito. So these settings are intended for development use only. So take note that if you're creating your own applications on your PC, so need to enable it. But for ordinary day-to-day activities such as gaming, web browsing, emails, and office app, it is not required to activate developer mode. Okay, kung paano ba natin ito enable, so turn on lang natin to. Click mo yan. And then click mo yung yes. Yan, ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable or turn off mo siya, so dito lang sa start menu, select mo lang yung settings. Click mo lang tong privacy and security. And then dito sa privacy and security, select mo lang yung for developers. And then kailangan mo lang i-turn off to mga kaibigan. Yan. Ayun, so ganoon lang po kasimple, hindi naman po mahirap i-follow mga kaibigan. I hope na nasundan nyo ang step-by-step method at comment ka lang in any questions regarding this tutorial. Maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notifications to stay updated with more helpful technology tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.